Welcome to HeyBOOK tutorial, and HeyBOOK is the world's first Amazon publishing AI assistant that allows you to actually research profitable keywords, create, publish, and rank Kindle books in few minutes. So now I'm going to walk you through the process of using this amazing app called HeyBOOK. So the very first thing is to come to the login page and enter your email address and password. So I'm going to hit the login button, and then it brings us to the dashboard, as you can see. And here you can see it welcomes you. You can start writing or publish your books. And here we have the menu. So on the menu, we have the research tools. We have the keyword research, product research, spy competitors, keywords, and category trends. And under book creator, we have the create books, my books, publish books. And this done for you books is an upgrade package for customers that purchase the done for you upgrade. And then we have the e-cover designer that allow you to design beautiful e-cover for your book. So now let's get started. So let's say you want to research a keyword or a niche. You come to keyword research. So once you come here, you can enter any keyword that you want to work with. So let's say I want to go with coloring books. I'm going to hit the search button, and then it's going to return results. Can you see that? It's going to show me the keywords, the search volume per day. Can you see? This is 435 people search this per day. Then the cost per click. Can you see how much advertisers are paying on Amazon to advertise to target this particular keyword? The relevance, you can see it's low. You can see match type, phrase, then conversion rate, the conversion rate for this keyword, you can see the conversion rate, then the estimated orders, you can see the number of orders that this keywords brings in a day. So you can see all of this here and decide if you want to go with the keyword. You can copy the keyword, and then so you can decide to export as CSV as well. So aside that, under the researches, we have product research. You can spy on competitors, keywords, category trends, and all. So the next thing is to create your book. If you come to create book under book creator, it brings you to this page. With HeyBOOKS, you can create different type of books. You can create storybook, you can create any type of books, you can create novels, poems, formal letter, projects, reports, presentations, or even a custom content. So HeyBOOKS allow you to create any type of content. So now I'm just going to use one as an example. So let's go with the storybook creator. So in order to create a storybook with our story creator, the first thing we need to do is to create a storybook cover. So, and there are two ways to go about this. You can either use the e-cover design to create the cover, or you can use our built-in stock image library to generate a stock image and also add your title over it. So I'm going to show you the option. So if I want to use e-cover design, I can come to e-cover design to design my graphic. So once it brings you here, you have different options. You can upload your own image. As you can see, upload image, select from media library, or you can even upload a template. Or you can come to template library and select already done for you graphics that you can edit and use it for your cover. Or you can just come to black canvas and create one from scratch. Whichever one that you want to do is fine. So I'm just going to select ones for the case of this video. I'll just pick one and then use it as an example. You go to page 2, then select this. So here I'm just going to edit the text here. Can you see? I'll double click. Storybook. And then I can edit this as well. It says something like, it's just an example. So you can edit anything. You can add image. You can add text, as you can see. You can add different style of text. You can add images. You can see. You can add shapes. You can add emojis. You can add icons. So you can do so many things with your cover. And once you're done, you can just come to save or download. I'm going to come to download and click on download as image. And then it's going to download to my system. So as you can see, my storybook. So we have our cover. The next thing is to go back to our book creator, click on create book. So once we're here, you can click on select cover image. And once you click on select cover image, you have different options of selecting a cover image. You can search on Pixabay. So let's say your story is about tortoise or any type of thing, you can just search it and then it's going to generate the image. You have Unsplash, you have Pixels too. So we have over 10 million stock images that you can use. So, and if you want to upload a custom image, you just come to custom image and then you click on choose file. So once you click on choose file, you select the cover that we just designed, click on open, and then you click on upload the image. So you have different options that you can use to create your cover. And as you can see, our cover has been created. So if you want to add a cover image heading, you can add the text here. So let's say I want to add a text here, I will add a text here, and then you can specify your text color. The text color is the color of the text in your book. So you can select either you want uppercase, lowercase, capitalization, you can specify that. Also the size, you can specify that. Then the font family, you can specify that. And also the font size here, you can specify. So once you're done with that, the next thing is the PDF design, the ebook design. So you can decide the type of design that you want. Is it this default or this style, or you can use this or any type of design that you want, you can always use it. And then you can select the text. This time around, the text for the type of text you want to use for your book, and also the weight, which means the size. You can specify that, and here you can specify how big you want the text to be, or and then the color. You can specify all of that. And for the font style, you can do the same. So this will be for the title, this will be for the fonts. So once you're done with all of this, you can see image border color, you can specify all of this. So once you're done with selecting all those things, you can come here to generate your book. All you have to do is just write a single line of word or a keyword. So here I'm just going to say write a story of tortoise and the head. Can you see? And then I'll click on generate. That's it. That's all you ever need to do to create your own book. And as you can see, the book has been created. Also, can you see? The book has been created. So all you have to do is just to replace the image in the book. So yeah, I can change the image. Everything are editable. You can edit everything here. So let's say I want to change the image. I'm going to click on the change image. Can you see that? I can search for image. Maybe on Splash, can you see? Or Pixels, I can search for image. So let's say I'm just going to search for tortoise. Can you see? And then click find image. It's going to bring tons and tons of images that I can choose from. Can you see that? Can decide to use this. Can you see? Click on use and then it's going to add it. Let's see, image has been saved. It's going to add it here. And say sun. So you can use image that correlates with each of the paragraph in your image. So here I'm just going to select one, use this as well. Can you see that? Yeah, I can also change that. Air. So let's see, I'm going to find image. I'll find image. And you see that good. So I'll just pick one to use. So once I select it, so that's how you just add as many images as possible. You can edit the content as well. Like I said, you can customize the text size and all of that. So once we're done, I'll just click on the submit button. That's it. You can see it's very simple and straightforward to create. You can preview your book to see how it will look like. Can you see this book is going to look like when we are done with it? And once we are done, you can always click on download as PDF to download the book. So aside that, you can create different type of books. You can come to Bookmaker to create books and come to Novel Creator. Can you see that? You click on Novel Creator, you'll be able to create novel. Let's say poem, you can create poem, formal letter, project, presentation, custom content. So once we're done with our book, you can come to my book to see the books you've created so far. As you can see, tortoise and the hare. You can download it, you can view it, you can delete it. Aside that, You can then publish your books to different platforms. As you can see, you can publish your books to Amazon Kindle, Etsy, eBay, Apple Books, Barnes and Nobles, Kobo, and the like. So let's say I want to publish to Amazon Kindle. You click on Amazon Kindle, and then it walk you through the process of publishing your book on Amazon Kindle. So this is how ebooks work. Thank you for watching.